Horses out of Coron Island. Best to begin. Coastline is running by the road. Noyana. Humble submission. Magdapio. Providence Camorra and Ariana Mimo is the early trader. We have Coastline, the leader, by about 4 lengths. And in second, Coron Island, Providence. Humble submission. Now moving up in the middle portion. Noyana, Magdapio, Camorra. And Ariana Mimo still racing in last as a leader. That's Coastline by about 6 lengths. Coron Island, Humble submission is running by the third. Providence in fourth, Noyana in fifth. Then comes Magdapio, Camorra, and Ariana Mimo. And that's still Coastline by about 4 lengths. And in second, Coron Island, Humble submission is running by the third. Then followed by Providence in fourth. Then comes Noyana. Coastline still the leader by about 4 lengths. Coron Island, Humble submission is running by the Providence. Coastline still in front. Humble submission on the outside. Coron Island. Coastline by only Allen. Coron Island. Humble submission. Moving up in the middle portion. Coastline. Humble submission. Now in between horses. Humble submission. Coron Island. And finally, Humble submission. Coron Island. Coastline. Providence. Then comes Camorra, Noyana, Ariana Mimo, and Magdapio comes in last.
Okay, bayang karevista din sa ating race number 4. Talaga namang napakaganda nito nga niring natin. Numero 2, Humble Submission with BM Minzon. Ito nga po ang ating anak ko siya binadyan.